Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 2. Our today's subject is English language. Our today's topic is spelling selected. We will do the selected spelling. Today's lecture number is 13 and SW number is 12. My dear students, you can follow this book for today's class. The spelling with synonyms for school. Okay. Now, after the class, you will have SW. Our SW number 12. You will write first 10 words, that is first 10 spelling as your SW. Now come to our today's class. We will learn 40 spellings for our spelling dictation. I will first read the words for you. Later I will teach you how to spell this. Cabbage, narrow, elephant, dictation, different, policeman, shepherd, favorite, hidden, barley, lesson, dollar, lose, deer, wear, history, catch, work, scarf, raincoat, dawn, carrot, vegetable, anybody, sure, perhaps, fire, lion, month, cricket, traffic, care, railway, motor, uncle, white, desert, curve, floor, ruler. Now see how we will spell the words. Cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-Z-E, cabbage. Narrow, N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Dictation, D-I-C, dic, T-A-T-I-O-N, station, dictation. Different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Policeman, P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N, policeman. Shepherd, H-S-H-E-P-S-H-E-R-D, shepherd. Favorite, F-A-B-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Hidden, H-I-D-D-E-N, hidden. Barley, B-A-R-L-E-Y, barley. Lesson, L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. Dollar, D-O-L-L-A-R, dollar. Lose, L-O-S-E, lose. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. History, H-I-S-T-O-R-Y, history. Catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Work, W-O-R-K, work. Scarf, S-C-A-R-F, scarf. Raincoat, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, coat, raincoat. Dawn, D-O-N-E, dawn. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Vegetable, V-E-Z-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Anybody, A-N-Y-B-O-D-Y, anybody. Sure, S-U-R-E, sure. Perhaps, P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps. Fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Month, M-O-N-T-H, month. Cricket, C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Traffic, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. Care, C-A-R-E, care. Railway, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. Motor, M-O-T-O-R, motor. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Curb, C-U-R-B, curb. Floor, F-L-O-U-R, floor. Ruler, R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. You must practice the words at your home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.